Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial, and today we're going to look at how to export format in ECW. Now most of the times when you have work in ArcGIS, like now I have this in TIFF format, and the person who wanted this want it in ECW, so I tried working on it on ArcGIS. I couldn't, so I realized that you can do that on global mapper. So that's what I'm about to show you. So to do that, you will import the TIFF into global mapper. Either you go through file and you click on open data file, or you just when you just open it for the first time, you're going to see this output. So I'm just going to click on open data file. So from open data file, I'm going to go to the folder to which this thing is inside. So I'm just going to go back. It's somewhere here. Yes, so it's inside cow, and I have this. So you're going with the TIFF file. Okay, so it's a TIFF file you're going to go with. So I'm going to click on open. Okay, so you can see that it has loaded, right? So now that it has loaded, the client wants it in ECW. So all I need to do is just to right click on this and come down to layer, and then I'm going to come up here to export layer. So and then you will make a selection of the file, so you see all the formats that are available. So I'm just going to select ECW file and click on OK, and I'll just decide to don't show this again. I'll click on OK. So look through all of this, and I think I will just pretty leave everything in their default state. Okay, yeah, I'll leave every other thing in their default state. I'm not changing anything here. So after that, I'm just going to click on OK. So it's going to take me to asking me which folder do I want to save this. So I want it to be in one folder so that I can send everything together. So I'm just going to say cow. Oh, cow photo, and I'm going to click on save. So it's just going to start exporting. And yep, so once it exported, it has converted it to ECW. So thank you for watching. I hope you are learning or you're enjoying anything here. Just don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and keep coming as I keep updating this channel. Thank you for now.